Microsoft Word, Chapter 2, Project 3A and B. Project 3A, Changing Paragraph Alignment. Open the Intel Prop document and do a file save as, which as you know by now is F12, and name it 2-Intel Prop. So stop the video real quick and do that. Alright, step number 3, click your Show Hide button. Alright, it's in the paragraph group on the Home tab, and it turns on and off display of non-printing characters. This was really important. You have to know where this is because we're going to be using it from here on out. So here's our Home tab, here's our paragraph group, and it's that backwards facing P. And when you click on it, it's going to turn on your non-printing characters. So, non-printing, it doesn't print out. These are just formatting marks that help you to see where you are in your document. That backwards P is a stroke of the Enter key. A space is a dot. If we had any tabs, you'd see a little arrow, okay? So you need to know what these are, what they look like, and how to turn this on and off. It's really easy. It's a toggle switch. It's either on or it's off, and we need it on right now. Step number 4. Press Ctrl-A to select the entire document, and then change the paragraph alignment to justified alignment by clicking the Justified button. So, on our Home tab, in our paragraph group, right here, is our Justify button. So go ahead and click your Justify alignment. So your alignment's now fully justified. I want you to take a look at that because in our country, we use a flush, perfectly straight left margin, right? And then the ragged right margin. When you hit full justification, look, now we have this straight right margin as much as it can unless the sentence ends really short. And what it does is it stretches the space between words. It's a very odd thing to do, and it's not something you should do on a regular basis because honestly it's just weird. Alright, so we did that. Now press Control-End, E-N-D, that moves you to the end of your document. Control-End. Okay, that takes us all the way down to the bottom of the document, right? Press your Enter key. Okay, that was step number 6. Step number 7, press Control-E to move the insertion point to the middle of the page. That is to center. Control-E. Okay. Typed prepared by Clarissa Markham. Then when you finish the word Markham, you're going to do a Shift Enter. Not an Enter, but a Shift Enter. Okay, so prepared by... Oh, it's Clarissa. I was calling her Patricia. Clarissa Markham, and then Shift Enter. Okay, make sure you do that. And then edited by Joshua Streeter. Okay. Now go ahead and turn off your Show Hide and click Save, and we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna go straight into 3B. Changing alignment at the paragraph dialog box. So stop and read that really quick so you make sure you know what you're doing. You're not just clicking buttons and, blindly following along. Project 3B, changing paragraph alignment at the paragraph dialog box. All right, step number 1. We need a Control-A to select the entire document. Step 1B, click the paragraph group dialog box launcher. Okay, Home tab, paragraph group, dialog box launcher, right? 1C, at the paragraph dialog box with the indents and spacing tab selected, and we're on our indents and spacing tab right there, click the alignment option box arrow, okay? So we're going to go to General, here's alignment right here, okay? Hit that down pointing arrow, and we want to turn it back to left. Okay, go ahead and click OK to close this. And now everything is left aligned again, where we had that weird, justification down there. We had this centered. We did a Control-A, and now we did a left alignment. Okay, go ahead and deselect. Number 2, change the paragraph alignment by completing the following steps. Press Control-End, E-N-D, to take you down to the bottom. Position the insertion point anywhere in the text prepared by Clarissa Markham. Okay? Click your paragraph group dialog box launcher. Again, Home tab, paragraph group, Dialog Box Launcher. At the Paragraph dialog box with the Indents and Spacing tab selected, click the Alignment option box arrow and then click Right. Indents and Spacing tab, General, Alignment, down pointing arrow, Right. Click OK to close the dialog box. The line of text containing the name Clarissa Markham and the line of text containing the name Joshua Streeter are both aligned at the right since you use the new line command, Shift-Enter, to separate the lines of text without creating a new paragraph. Okay? Go ahead and hit save, and you're ready to move on to your next video.